Nature has always known how to care for its most fragile elements. It all started here, in the far north. A family expedition that established our scientific foundations. We have discovered pure and rare actives, able to adapt to extreme conditions. Carefully selected and collected by local producers. These active ingredients with extraordinary properties provide our formulas with unparalleled efficacy. Wrap yourself in multi-sensorial skincare with unique textures and enchanting perfumes. Let the Arctic's magic renew your skin's original beauty and glow. Polar, Arctic Beauty Secrets.